Hi guys, I want to have a relaxed moment. I have been coding and coding for days in Python and GTK. And what is my relaxed moment is creating a new package. I'm rethinking our arcolinux flagship as we go. And I was thinking about leaving out Tryson and getting Peru in as a default backup for Yay. So, how do we do that? First off, Control T, Yay Peru. We have it already, so that's not a problem. Peru bin is just a word I add to the ISO. Done. It's on the ISO. The point is, Peru by default could be better. And at the moment in time, this is my setup, my configuration. So what I like to make together with you, which is a Backoffice tutorial. If you want to build your own packages for Carly, ALCI, or your own packages, your local repo, and or right, all these things can be done there. So let's quit all the social media here. And then let's go for how to create a package. So that's the only thing I would like to share. And the point is, if I don't do this bottom up, it really gets ugly. Like, for example, Peru Spotify, icons, lots of icons, right? And it starts here at the bottom at this point in time, and it goes up all the way, community, and then here is AOR. When I don't do that, and there may be other things I haven't tried out yet, so it will change over time, this is what you get. You get the very last, which is the least interesting, is there, right? It goes up and up and up, and sometimes you got to scroll, baby. You got to scroll till finally you're there. So that's a waste of time. Time is of the essence. So this would be my config for the procedure. So that's what I need for later on. I need to create a new GitHub. Let me go to our GitHub. I am logged in, that's cool, and let's close all the other tabs. Yipla. Okay, wrong GitHub, this one. So, how do we do this? How do we name this thing? I think arcolinux-paru would be ideal. Naming should always be the same, right? Some logic. arcolinux-paru would be an ideal GitHub, and you make a new one, share it with the world or not, and you have arcolinux-paru. That's all here. I have a little script that gets me all my GitHubs. 100 and so on GitHubs, and I have arcolinux-paru /save. Then we run them. You'll get an empty Peru. The thing that's the same or pretty similar are things that have a place here. Nitrogen is here. Maybe that's a good example. So my configuration that I've already built of nitrogen can be reused. Just call it Peru. Rename. Yeah, sure, my mistake. So copy paste. I was already package building, but that's a bit too soon. So we need to have that. Peru, where are you, Peru? Here he is. Control V. The README is always forgotten. arcolinux-paru. Well, I've called nitrogen config, you see. So maybe I should call this also paru config, but I stopped doing that really. Naming conventions, right? What else could it be? It's not the application itself, so I'm gonna keep it. Okay, so okay, etc config paru, and it's not nitrogen stuff that's in here, it's paru stuff that's in here. Now I push it to the internet. First commit, and that's there. Done. Then we go to the package build. Package builds, arcolinux, nitrogen, nitrogen. Okay. Control C, Control V, close like this, then paru git, arcolinux-paru, package build. Then we say that it's April, and I've started using 0 ones, which is much better for maintenance wise. For me, my job, right? So nitrogen, Control H, find every nitrogen you have and change it with paru, please. So find, replace, 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 replace. What did I replace now? Control Z. Paru. Find. Replace. Okay. Let's read it again. Paru-git, paru, config, paru, licenses, config, paru, arcolinux-paru, package name. And all these guys normally are not changed because everything is here a variable. You see, once defined up here, there's no work anymore down here. That's the idea. Quick and easy and maintainable. Build arcolinux. That's being pushed to, if it works. This is actually something I wouldn't do. I recommend, do not recommend it. First to make package, check what you did. All right, so this is the source, that's GitHub. It's going to create a package called arcolinux-paru-git, that's important for me, git, etc scal.config paru, check. All right, let's see if there's something inside. Yes, there is something inside, fine. Up, 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 and this is the license. Share arcolinux licenses, arcolinux-paru license. So yes, it's okay, right? I guess that, but okay. You should check it, right? So it is already online. I am not yet online, but it's already copy pasted to, here it is. The other screen here, it's already on the arcolinux repo. So the only thing I need to do, and I'll do it on another screen here, is go and push it to the internet. That's basically all I need to do to the GitHub, and then you'll get the configuration in. So I'll show you the other thing I have to do. At this point in time, I'm developing the new ISO. Soon the beta testers, well, the beta testers can test it already, but soon more people can test it. The arcolinux arch ISO packages. So I'll have to add control find. Tryzen will be replaced then. One in, one out. Seems like a nice way of thinking. So yay bin it needs to come alphabetically here. Paru bin is where it will become, or will come, and the arcolinux folder will get also an arcolinux paru, arcolinux-paru-git. Save. And that's it. We built our ISO and it's done. We've got it on our ISOs. All right. No, didn't forget anything. So that's what happens on the back end. All right. Cheers.